Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of little triangle moss and then putting it in the terrarium. So I'm just gonna unbox it. Now let's go take a look at this moss. We got the triangle moss. Let's see what else we got. Some stickers, some policies. Look at that moss, it's just absolutely incredible. The fronds look really nice, and it's definitely one of my favorites. So I'm gonna put in my terrarium. I'm just gonna grab a piece. And this is just incredible moss. And sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to do this planting off camera just so I can focus better. But I'll show you when it's done. I still have all this left for other projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.